Greetings, comrades! This is Caleb, back with another unboxing video. And before I continue, I'm still waiting for my MobilePad M6 HD Joy-Cons. It's been nearly 3 weeks now, and I can't really cancel the order because it's already shipped. All I can do is just wait for it to show up when it does. But in the meantime, I figured while I wait, I'd get a few more Joy-Cons replacements. I got not one, but two. One hasn't showed up yet because I kind of ordered the wrong one. I'll get to that in a minute. But one already showed up now, and I also got a carrying case that can be used with it. Well, one of them anyway. But this is from a brand called NYXI. You might have heard of them. They made quite a few accessories, mainly for the Switch. But they're known for their Joy-Con replacements, such as the Warrior. Well, actually, no, it's a controller that's modeled after the GameCube controller. And I have one of them here. Speaking of the GameCube, I got the NYXI Wizard wireless controller for the Nintendo Switch Lite and OLED. And what's special about this, by the way, sorry about any background noise. My nephews and nieces are coming with it. My nephews and niece are visiting today, so yeah, a little background noise. But anyway, yeah, the Warrior is basically a GameCube themed controller for the Switch, and the Wizard is pretty much the same thing, except you can actually separate these and use them as Joy-Cons for your Switch. In fact, let me fetch my Switch real quick. This one I actually got the Hori Split Plat Pros on them, which yeah, quick little rundown. Yeah, I got Marvel vs. Capcom Fighting Collection, awesome set of games. But anyway, yeah, if you're gonna get a Hori Split pad, I'd probably stick with the Hori Split Plat Pro because it's a lot more comfortable. The buttons, thumbsticks, and D-pad are a little bigger, and pretty much all the flaws that are on here are also in the compact. And mine has a slight manufacturing defect. The right split pad would wobble a bit. It works fine. It's just kind of an oversight on Hori's part. So, yeah, I've been using this. But soon, I'll be using this. But yeah, I got the Wizard. And I also ordered the Hyperion Pro. Now, this is what I was talking about earlier. And then, yeah, actually, I switched the cameras there. But anyway, I ordered the NYXI Hyperion, which is like a nice ergonomic style Joy-Con replacement. The thing is, I ordered the regular Hyperion instead of the Hyperion Pro, so I canceled that order and ordered the Pro. That won't come till Tuesday, so I'll have a small unboxing then too. But the main difference, the Hyperion has regular potentiometer joysticks, whereas the Pro, which I ordered, has Hall effect joysticks. And you know me with Hall effect joysticks, they're not going to develop drift on you in your lifetime. They're a lot more reliable, and for the most part, they're more accurate. That's the Instant Pot. I'm letting it sit for a bit, making some Mongolian beef. But anyway, yeah, the Hyperion Pros won't come till Tuesday. But in the meantime, I got these, and naturally I got the purple one, because to me, purple is the iconic color for the GameCube. And I also made other colors like the black, the silver one, which we still have, and the orange one. But yeah, the NYXI Wizard. Then we modeled the GameCube controller. I already like it already because the D-pad's a little bigger than the original. And what's cool about it, this doesn't come with it, but you can buy them separate. They're just like $12. It comes with removable thumbstick caps, so you can actually emulate the original C-stick from the GameCube controller. It's pretty cool. But yeah, Hall effect joysticks. Never developed drift in a lifetime. Interchangeable joystick rings. You got the regular 8-directional ones, which the GameCube is known for. But you can also swap it out for rings, so you have full movement. Instant triggers, lighter, less resistance, and have shorter trigger distances. The AVXY buttons, featuring a white lighting effect. And a comfortable feel, ergonomic. Yeah, the GameCube controller is pretty comfortable. And 2 advanced gaming buttons. Yes, it has back buttons, so you can program there. Though, this is pretty much a flaw for pretty much all Joy-Con replacements. You could only program the buttons on that side of the Joy-Con, like the face buttons you could program on the right. You can't program on the left, and vice versa. You can't program D-pad stuff to the right. So, that's the thing. So if you want something like that, you need to buy one of those grip controllers, like the NYXI GripCon, and there are a bunch of other options out there. I only had the NYXI one. But yeah, for other post specifications, you can pause the video if you want to see that. Battery capacity 500 milliamp hours. So yeah, decent amount of battery life. Yeah, I'm probably not going to save the box. I have so many boxes, I got to throw some of them out because they're kind of take up a little space in my shelves and stuff, so yeah, I'm not going to be keeping this box, as nice as it looks. So anyway, here it is. I thought I was going to need my knife, but I guess not. Okay, got the pack accessories, which I'm guessing is a charging cable and stuff. Well, let's dump it all out, screw it. Here we go. So it doesn't slide out. Okay, so we got two separate thumbstick gates. I got the round ones. And again, they sell a separate set with extra swivel thumbsticks. So if you want to swivel the thumbstick, you got to get that. But it's just like 12 bucks. So there's a Type-C cable, because you had to charge both of these separately, because the center port doesn't have a Type-C port, so you can't charge it that way. So that's probably going to want to charge these. And here it is, the NYXI Wizard. And feels pretty light. I know there's another brand called, I think, Doyoki. I think also known as Binbok. They made another set of these. And those might be a little better, but I might get those if these don't work out. But let's get the feel of the control first. Okay, nice clicky triggers there. Okay. Ooh, the bumpers too. I don't know if they're... Okay, you can tell these are regular membranes, but these... I think these are micro switches. Oh, there is a Type-C port on here, so maybe I can charge them both here, because they each have their own Type-C connection, so you can't charge them separately. I guess that's a turbo button. I think so. Let me check the instructions here. No, wait. Yeah, the instructions, you know, the usual stuff. I'm not gonna know that. Let's see. Yeah, they are turbo buttons. Nice. Well, I should tell because the T's on it, but it could mean something else for all I know. But anyway, so here, let me go and take these split pads off real quick. Which, you know, this is a good thing, because since these have their own Type-C connections, that means you can use these as separate Joy-Cons. So it's going to be a little awkward to hold, because, you know, the D-pad's down in it. So not only your thumbs place is going to be weird, but you have this little handle in the way, so yeah, good luck with that. Yeah, there's those back buttons there. And yeah, I know the Warrior has trigger stop, so I might get that later on. So you got their plus and minus buttons, got your home buttons, you got your programming buttons. Assuming that's how you program the back buttons there. And I'm guessing these are the indicator lights. Okay. And I'm not sure what these are. I guess it's for like a separate like wired attachment that clips on. I'm not sure. But anyway. They feel nice. I think you have to rotate these. Well, you know, let me... I don't want to breaking this, because in case you're wondering, these are like... It's like $70. So about the price as a Switch Pro controller. Just about. So let's see, you have to... Yeah, you have to turn it counterclockwise, so... A 45-degree angle. Let's see, where's that? Bit of a turn, really. It's supposed to pop off. Huh. I would like pop off, but pull off the rocker ring, rocker cap. So you have to take off the cap too. There we go. There's that joystick there. Oh yeah, you have to... So yeah, I'll probably just stick with the round ones. Okay, so put us in a 45-degree angle. Sorry, I'm wasting time. I just gotta make sure to get this in right. But that's cool. It comes with swappable thumbstick options. So given that you have to take the entire... Like, you don't just take off the cap, you have to take off the entire... Okay, make sure it goes... Okay, go this way. Okay. Put this in. Hold on. Sorry about this. I just gotta make sure get this right. There we go. Turn it clockwise. There we go. Now we have a full range of motion here. I think I'll swap this out later on. But anyway, let's go and try them out in the. Let's see. Push this button here. Yeah, they require a little bit of force to get out. Okay, let's try them out on the Switch. Didn't mean to start the game, but yep, it registers. These registers as separate Joy-Cons. Oh my god, that's so much better already. I mean, the SplitPad Pros are comfortable for me, but this is even more so because again, the GameCube controller was really comfortable. Okay, that's nice and responsive. Might as well. You see the face buttons are backlit. Yeah, I remember playing this at Mr. Gaddy's a long time ago. SATA's closed down years ago. Thanks, COVID. Okay. Yeah, this already feels a lot better though. Oh boy. Yeah, this is one of the shortcomings of the Wizard. There's this huge gap between the controllers and the Switch. That other Doyoki brand I mentioned earlier, it's a little more flat, so there's no gap in between. Okay, let's go and there's Iron Man's my there's a guy main in this game. But yeah, it feels a lot more comfortable. I'm not gonna lie, and I definitely like they made the D-pad a little bigger. If you remember the GameCube controller, the D-pad was tiny. I forgot the Y and X buttons are the punch buttons. It doesn't respond, just gotta. Okay, for some reason. Trying to do the Unibeam here. There we go. Yeah, it's gonna take a little getting used to. Okay. Yeah, I need some more time with it to see how responsive it is, but it's a lot more comfortable to hold than the SplitPad Pro, and those are pretty comfortable. So anyway, I'm going to stop this recording real quick. And now, for the last part, we have the carrying case here. This is designed for the Hyperion and another version called the Athena, which I don't have. But it looks pretty roomy here, but I ordered the wrong one. There's a regular one where you can fit the Wizard. This will not fit in there. It will fit the Hyperion, which will come later on, but yeah, feels pretty solid. You got a nice little exterior here, the carbon fiber here. You got a little strap in here, extra place where you can hold your cables and stuff. And a part where you can hold your games. So you can hold, wow. You got 12 here, 12 here. So you have up to 24 games on here. That is pretty cool. So yeah, but this is meant for the Hyperion, not the Wizard. I ordered the wrong case, but that's fine. I'll try to use that as a controller, but every now and then I use it as a Joy-Con. So anyway, that is the NYXI Wizard unboxing. Feels good so far, though I need some more time with it to make sure I didn't get an defective unit or anything. But yeah, there's a NYXI Wizard and a little carrying case. Come Tuesday, I'll be getting the Hyperion Pros, and I'll do an unboxing for those as well. So in the meantime, this is Caleb signing out. Have a good day.
Suck it up, life's tough, we know that. Someone's got better stuff and can throw cash. Tell them I don't give a fuck, make my own path. I don't need no hand doubts, I'm my own man. Gotta get it, I'll get it and fast, yeah. Got a girl and she'll get it, she bad, yeah. Man, I only get down with the best, I'ma leave the complaints with the rest,